Pallet jack's ready. Let's get this rubber offloaded quickly and safely. Copy that, boss. We're set to go.
All right, bring it down easy right there. Batch confirmed, R15, looks good to go.
The massive rollers press the warm rubber deep into the weave, creating the strong, flexible composite sheet essential for the tire's body.
Alignment looks good on screen. Surface is clean, ready for the first ply.
The most recognizable part of the tire is now installed, the thick tread strip. A long pre-cut section is carefully wrapped around the crown.
The green tire is now removed from the building drum. The drum stops rotating.
Sidewall appears clean, no bubbles or uneven molding.
The balance reading is stable. Uniformity is well within spec.
Okay, bring that pallet right into bay 3. Confirmed. Paperwork is all set.